Good evening. I'm going to be showing you all how to replace a deck belt on your BadBoy Mower. This is a BadBoy. This is the belt that just shredded apart. You see that? This belt shredded to pieces. And this is the belt that goes on the deck. That's this part right here. That's the long belt. This is the long belt. 165 inches. This belt right here is not the BadBoy brand belt. This is belt that I got at one of the auto stores that did work on the mower. Problem is, it's not designed for this. I'm gonna show you. This is the original belt here. This is the belt that goes to this mower, and you can see the difference in thickness. This belt here is thicker than this belt. This is ½ an inch. This is 5/8 of an inch. And when you turn it to the side, you see the thickness here compared to this one. So make sure, if you do get one of these belts or have to replace it, try to go with the original belt. Off-brand belt will work for a while, but you see what happens when it go bad. It lasted probably a year and a half. And just get you one of the original belts. They're thicker, they're more durable, and it probably won't shred as bad as the other one, or as quick. But to get this on here, you need to find, or if you don't know how the diagram goes under here, you need to find the diagram. And most of the time, you have it under the floorboard. There it is, right there. So you see here, the belt is gonna go on a drive chain that's in the back, come around a pulley, go around another pulley, go under a pulley, over another pulley, under that pulley, back around this pulley, over this pulley to right here. Okay? So what you're gonna need is one thing, something to move the tension pulley here. This is the tension pulley. You see this rod back here and the spring. Once you get the belt on here, you will have to move. Watch it move. You see that? You see this move? So I can move this. Once I get the belt on the route, I can move it and lock it on. Okay? This is a BadBoy Outlaw also. I just got to show you an Outlaw. That's a BadBoy Outlaw. And you mow with an attitude. Be tough, just mow with an attitude. Get on that yard and just cut up. Okay, let me get this out. Situate the camera so I can show you all how to get this on here. Okay, I have the belt unraveled, and we are going to get it over the pulleys here. To make this easy, I'm gonna go over the top pulley first. Yes, get this in place. Okay. Move this down here. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna lower the deck so I can get to it a little easier. Hold on. Okay, now let's get to it. Okay, this is the top pulley here. So I'm I'm gonna run this under this pulley, okay? On this side, I'm gonna run this under this pulley. I'm gonna take this piece, run it under this pulley. You won't see it because of the cover, but we're gonna run it under this pulley. Okay, I got the belt under this pulley and made sure that the V part is on this pulley here. So it's gonna run back and go over this pulley. This is the tension pulley. And then it's going to go back there to the drive shaft. I'm gonna go on the other side and route this one on the other side. Now on this side, we're from the top pulley under this pulley, and I'm gonna take this piece right here and bring it around and go over this pulley. Make sure that the V side is still on this pulley here. I'm gonna do it off camera because I need both hands, and I'll show you after that. I have the belt running over this pulley, and I need to bring it back over this pulley. Still following that diagram. Okay, see that? Now, all of this excess belt right here is going to go to the back under the drive shaft. It's this one right here. So I'm going to pull that belt all the way back behind the motor and hook it up to the pulley that's under the motor. Okay, this is the pulley under the motor. This is the piece that goes over here. This is down here. Make sure it's the V part of the belt in the V groove right here. So now everything is hooked up on the mower except for that tension pulley. So I'm gonna go back up front and I'm gonna make sure all the grooves and the flat parts are on the pulley in proper places. But after that, I'm gonna put the belt over the tension pulley. So let's go back up front. Okay, I double checked everything to make sure the belt grooves are right. This is the top pulley. The belt runs along under this pulley here, goes over that pulley, come back to this pulley, runs back to the drive shaft pulley, that's one in the back, come back this way. This is the tension pulley. I haven't connected it yet, but it's gonna run from that pulley over this pulley, go back down this pulley and back to the main pulley. All I have to do now is bring this belt over this pulley, and to do that, that bar that I just used to show you how to move that, I'm gonna push this pulley back to the point where the belt can go over here. Let me do that, and then I'll show you the route. Okay, now let's run through this again. Okay, this is the top pulley, runs around this pulley, goes around that pulley, come back, flat part on this pulley, runs back to the drive shaft, go around that pulley, come back right here over the tension pulley. It's this one right here, runs from the tension pulley around this pulley, behind this pulley, back to the top pulley. And there you have it. You have your belt on the mower. It's not really hard, it's easy. It's just getting to the pulleys and make sure everything is on the right side. Just like any other belt that you put on a vehicle or a mower, this one works the same way. Thank you all for watching this video. Hit that like and subscribe button. And remember, mow with an attitude. Thanks for watching.